Hey, it's Alexa from Kid Activities with Alexa, and I want to show you a little rainbow song that I do in my sensory classes that is gonna get your kids excited about learning colors. All I did is I printed out our rainbow. I put some tape around it to make it a little bit sturdy. I added a popsicle stick with some tape and some string. Ready? Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Listen with your ears, listen with your eyes, and sing everything you see. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing along with me. So just repeat all the colors that you see. I see red. I said, oh, maybe I'm wearing a white shirt, so can you tap your white shirt? Or who is wearing a blue shirt? Fred is wearing a blue. Can you tap blue with your rainbow?
A dog, Mama.
Yeah, a dog. The dog is yellow. Let's tap the dog. Tap, 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 tap. Another little song that I like to use with the rainbow is you can use it to tap. So you can say, there's a rainbow on my head, on my head. There's a rainbow on my head, on my head. There's a rainbow on my head. Can you really see it now? There's a rainbow on my head, on my head. There's a rainbow on my shirt, on my shirt. My shirt is blue.
No.
Fred's shirt is blue. There's a rainbow on my shirt, on my shirt. There's a rainbow on my shirt. And the color is blue. There's a rainbow on my shirt, on my shirt. And you can do it with your shoes or your socks or what you have around. So I hope you have fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.